DivvyDose honest review. Watch before using. DivvyDose is an online pharmacy that delivers pre-sorted medication in daily packet. It's designed for people who take multiple prescriptions and want an easier way to manage them. The company handles prescription transfers, refills, and insurance coordination. And here are the key features about this platform. The pre-sorted daily medication packet, free delivery, works with most insurance plans, 24/7 pharmacist support, include vitamins and over-the-counter medication. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pros: convenient, easy to use daily packet, no extra cost beyond copay and insurance, automatic refill and reminder, and also free shipping. Pharmacist support available anytime. And here the downside about this platform: some insurance plan may not be accepted, customer service delay reported by some users, and also limited availability for certain medication. And here the conclusion about this platform: so it is a great option for people who take multiple medication and want hassle-free management, and the pre-sorted packet make it easy to stay on track, and the service is free beyond normal medication cost. However, it's worth checking if your insurance is accepted and being aware that customer services may sometimes take time to respond.